Hello friends, welcome to my new video, and this video is based on spectroscope. And spectroscope is a device which uh, actually analyze the white light or break down the white lights in its constituent color. Okay, so if you want to analyze the light coming from a light source and want to know the which component or which wavelength of the light it is coming from the source, you can use this device. You can also use this device to actually measure the absorption spectra of certain compound dissolved in dissolved in water or any other solvent. So this is very cheap and DIY spectroscope. So what you need here, you need a certain amount of cardboards or foam board, a mirror, small mirror, and a webcam. A very sensitive webcam is not needed. You can use your own webcam and a laptop and an open source uh, software which measures the spectra, and the link of the software is given in the description. So let's start. So you see, this is the schematic. As you see the schematic of the spectroscope. Here I am using the foam board to make this spectroscope. This is a small 10 centimeter length parallel pipe, as you see. Here, this is the actually light source. This is the light source here I'm using, and this light source is actually LED. LED light source is used because LED is very uh, cheap, and you can actually lead this LED with the help of some 9-volt battery. So this is the white light source I am using here, and this is the slit. Slit actually actually allow the small amount of light to pass through. So you can make your own slit with the help of some razor blade or using some cardboard. In case of a razor blade, you can break down razor blade in two parts and paste it very close to each other with the help of some scotch tape or sellotape. Okay, so this will make a small slit and allows the small amount of light to pass through. Here, I am using a small to actually reflect the light upward so that you can easily mount your webcam here. Okay, so and the before the light goes to the webcam, I put a small thing here which is in scientific language or physics language, it is called grating. Okay, grating is a device, optical device, which actually break down the light into its constituent wavelength. Okay, so grating is available in the market, and it is basically the replica grating people are using because original grating is very costly. So replica grating is used. But I'm using here the very cheap replica grating, which is very easily available in your home, which is a DVD. As you see, this is a DVD. CD can work well, but in case of a DVD, the number of lines or grooves are very much higher than the CD, so it can actually disperse light, or it actually break down the white light into this component wavelength very easily. Okay, just peel the two discs from the DVD and cut a small portion of that transparent sheet. Okay, and paste this here. If you paste it here, you will see the light. If you see from this opening, you can see the different colors of the white light. Okay, so this transmitter's light is actually captured by the webcam here using I'm using a webcam, and the over the webcam camera there is a small filter which actually filtered the infrared light. You can actually peel off the infrared filter, or you can use it because we are not actually bothered about the infrared light. So if you want, then you can peel it out the infrared light filter and then actually mount it here. Okay, with the help of some tape or some adhesive, you can mount it here. So this webcam, it is attached to the um, laptop, and using a software which is called the Thermino software, and the link is given in the description. You can download and install it. Then you can see spectra. Okay, you can see the spectra of the white light. So in this way, you can actually see the component wavelength of the light source. Okay, so you can replace the light source, or you can also target this opening towards any light source. You can see the spectra of the light in coming from this source. Okay, now this device is also used to measure the absorption spectra of the certain compound or element. If you dissolve, if you can dissolve the some compound in a water or some solvent, and kept it in a cuvette like this. Okay, this is a actually the glass cuvette or quartz cuvette. Okay, so you just put the solution here and place the cuvette here. Here I am making a small opening, so we can put the glass cuvette here. In the original construction, I will show you where I put this glass cuvette. So first of all, you measure the spectra from the white light, which is coming from this light source, and then save it, and then place the glass cuvette here with the solution. Then we will see the spectra will change. Why spectra will change? Because when the white light is coming, okay, depending of the compound dissolved in the solution, certain wavelength is absorbed, because every compound actually absorbs certain wavelengths. Okay, depending on their band structure, energy band. So the light passes through actually the transmitted light. So if you compare the light which is passes without the compound and with the compound, you can easily find out the absorption spectra by dividing those two spectra. Okay, which I will see you show you how to measure those uh, spectra using the original setup and the Thermino software. So, for the details, you can actually see my video, which I will give link, which I will give you the link in the description, and you can see the how the absorption spectroscopy works. Okay, so this is a very cheap and simple spectroscope, and using this, you can uh, actually have a idea how the absorption spectroscopy works. So I think you will find very interesting and make your own spectroscope. And okay, so let's see the how the real spectra works. Okay, this is the device I am talking about. You see, this is the light source here. Okay, LED, and it is lit through a battery. Okay, and you see, this is the opening where we can actually put the cuvette with the solution. And here you can see, here is a opening which allows the light to pass through. You can see the small slit here, and this is the DVD, which I paste it here, and this is the webcam, and this webcam is placed here, so it can capture actually the rainbow of color or the different wavelengths of the incoming light. Okay, so if you just switch on the light, uh, and you can see the different component of the light. As you see it very clearly, the different color, there is the um, green, yellow, and blue is also visible. So this color I will capture with the help of the webcam, and this will give you the clear spectra of the incoming light. This is a Thermino spectrometer volume 5.0 software. You can actually connect your webcam here, and this is the spectra, which is coming from my DIY spectrometer. This is the wavelength component and the intensity plot versus wavelength. And you can adjust this or calibrate this spectra with the help of tools, and you can select the trim points like 436 546 or 436 nanometers 692 nanometer. This is wide apart, so you can choose it and then calibrate it, and after that you can measure your desired spectra which is coming from any compound dissolved in a solution. So this is all about. I think it will helps you understand how the absorption spectra works, and a spectrometer, how the spectrometer works. Uh, Please subscribe me to help me to grow my channel. Thank you for your patience.